Hello everyone, I welcome you in the lecture series of Industrial Engineering. We are studying Chapter 2 Work Study. Previously we have studied the definition of work study and method study and steps of method study. We have studied each steps in very brief, and we have studied the selection criteria and recording techniques that has been used in method study. Now we are going to learn a recording technique that is very much useful to understand how the facts in method study is recorded with the help of chart. One of the chart is outline process chart, popularly known as operation process chart. So in this lecture we are going to study how the operation process chart is made and what is the application of operation process chart. So outline process chart or operation process chart has only two symbols. First is a circle that indicates operation, and second is square indicates inspection. So here only two activity is described in outline process chart, that is operation with the help of circle, and with the help of square we describe inspection activity in chart. So operation process chart provide overall picture of all the activities or process or any job or any task that has been carried out. So it provides an overall picture of the process, job or task, and we can use outline process chart or operation process chart with the help of symbol of operation and inspection in manufacturing activity or in assembly kind of jobs. So there is a two application of outline process chart. First is manufacturing operation, or we can say that we can record the facts of manufacturing process with the help of outline process chart. Also we can record the facts of an assembly operation with the help of outline process chart. So now we are taking one example how we can draw outline process chart. So here I am taking one example of outline process chart, how we can draw it, how we can record all the facts related to any job, process or task with the help of outline process chart. So first we have to decide what is the activity which are going to record in outline process chart. So here activity is repairing of a punctured scooter tire. So we are deciding one activity, repairing of punctured scooter tire. So now we have to define that chart, what is the first activity and last activity that we are going to record in chart. So chart begins with scooter ready for checking up. We are check up the scooter. Then chart ends when tube of the tire is ready to mount on tire. So that is the beginning and end of chart. Now we are going to define that method of chart is present method. It means we are recording the facts of activity that is presently carried out. So that is present method. We are recording the facts with direct observation of activity going in present. Then we can describe that charted by means of who has developed this chart or who has recorded the facts in outline process chart. You can write your name. I can write my name, Mr. Vishal Chayan. You can write your name. Then we have to draw the chart with the help of symbol like operation and inspection. Operation is described with the help of circle and inspection is indicated by symbol of square. So first activity is check up scooter. So that is a operation. So we have to draw circle in front of this activity. Then second activity, we are going to remove hubcap of wheel. So this activity is also operation. So we are marking circle in front of this activity. Then we are loosening the nut and place properly. That is also an activity of operation. So we are marking circle in front of this activity. Then we are removing wheel from the scooter. That is also an operation. Then we remove outer cover of wheel or tire scooter. Then we remove the tube of tire from. After removing outer cover of tire, we are removing tube that is inside the tire. Now we are going to check where is the exact location of puncture. So we are testing the tube or we are checking the tube because we want to locate the exact location of puncture. So locate the puncture in tube is a checking kind of or testing kind of or examining kind of activity. So we can mark square in front of this activity because that is inspection kind of activity. After locating the puncture in tube, we mark the puncture. That is an operation. So we are marking circle in front of this activity. Then we will repair the puncture and remove any faults if any. So this is also an operation. So we are marking circle. Then lastly we recheck the tube because if we have repaired the puncture, then there has no nails, there will be no faults. So we are going to recheck that if there is any problem and we can still repair the tube. So lastly we recheck the tube. So this is all activity we have described in outline process chart with the help of circle and square symbol, that is a symbol of operation and inspection. Each operation is connected with this line. So we are connecting all the operation and inspection with the help of line. We are maintaining the sequence. Lastly we summarize overall activity. So there is only two kind of activity, operation activity and inspection activity. We can count with the help of number. We can mark number in circle and square. So there is a 8 number of circle, means there is a 8 operations involved in this activity or in this chart, and there is only 2 inspection involved in this chart. So this is lastly we can prepare summary table, 8 number of operation and 2 number of inspection. With the help of this chart, that is a present method, we can find the unnecessary activity or we can find the activity that has no role in repairing the puncture of tube. So we can optimize the overall process, we can find the unnecessary activity and can reduce the overall process timing or overall timing of that activity. So in this way we can prepare outline process chart. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment section. Thank you very much. You can contact me on Facebook and Gmail. Have a nice day.